Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a foxtastic day. You know, the other day someone asked me how was I doing, and I said I'm doing foxtastic. They're going, "Wow, what does that mean?" I go, "Well, my last name is Fox, and you can't do any better than foxtastic. So hope you're doing foxtastic today." Hey, I thank you for stopping by my channel today and watching this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below. Click on the bells. Make sure you get all my updates as I bring them to you. And if you get something out of this video today, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and like it and even comment. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I don't care. I'll respond to them for sure. And if you really get something out of it, go ahead and share it with your friends so they can also gain some valuable insight. You know, I was sitting there thinking, it's November. I can't believe that 2024 is already upon us. It seems like just yesterday it was November. I mean, it was January. It seems like this was the beginning of the year, and now it is November. And I started thinking, this months have really passed by fast. What about for you? Has it passed fast for yourself? Have you achieved your goals you set up for 2023? Well, most people will say no, particularly when it comes to financial goals. So let's work on making 2024 better by taking a look at a way that you can achieve your financial goals for 2024. So let's dive into the realm of side hustles and even job replacement income in 2024 by exploring the multifaceted world of network marketing. Yes, you heard it. Network marketing or multi-level marketing, MLM as you call it. Um, in this video today, I'm going to uncover the incredible potential of network marketing while addressing, and listen to this, while addressing common misunderstandings and challenges associated with the field of network marketing, because there's a lot of misunderstandings about it. I'm going to cover that in this video today. You know, the gig economy is evolving, it's growing, it's taking off. I mean, it's flourishing, and with that shift, network marketing really stands out because it offers really unparalleled flexibility. It enables you to balance it with your other commitments, whether you have a full-time job or you're pursuing your education. And so you can balance those two together. And with network marketing, it's really a low barrier to get started, and it has high income potential. I mean, you think about contrary to the traditional businesses, network marketing often demands a low initial investment. I mean, sometimes as low as $50 you can get started in your own business. So, and the potential for significant income is really real. It's tied directly to your efforts and the size of your network. And one of the advantages of network marketing is your personal growth and your skill development, skill enhancement. I mean, it can serve as an incubator for personal development. It can hone in on your communication, sales, leadership, uh, discipline, valuable skills that you can transfer really to any profession. Because you have to have self initiative to get going in this business. You don't have a boss standing over you, so you're going to start growing those skills. And the heart of network marketing lies in community and relationship building. And with the peak of social media and digital connectivity in 2024, it's easy to connect with a broad audience and build a thriving community. I mean, in my network marketing company I'm involved in, I have people all over the world that have gotten involved with my team. So in the past, you had to be find somebody locally. You'll meet at the coffee shop or whatever you're pumping gas. But no, with social media, 2024 is wide open for those who want to get involved in building a team through network marketing. I mean, the technological advancements is really the heart of network marketing in 2024. I mean, it's easy to connect with a broad audience and build a thriving community. Um, so embrace the technology. It's never been more accessible. I mean, there's so many tools now to automate the system and empower you to reach a wider audience and efficiently manage your business. I mean, when I got started in network marketing back in the day, I mean, we didn't have all the tools we have available to us online now, and so you had to get there and hustle. You had to get on the phone. You had to go to hotel meetings and coffee shop meetings and home meetings and all that. A lot of people still do that, but I prefer to work smarter, not harder. It's so much easier to do it online now with all the automated tools that you have to do that. So embrace that. Embrace that. Now, let me address the elephant in the room. Because if you've not been involved in network marketing, then you probably have some misconceptions. Because network marketing often faces misunderstandings. I mean, some perceive it as a pyramid scheme or a get-rich scheme. And there are some out there. There's some instances of some unethical practices in the past, but there are many, 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 many more reputable companies that operate ethically, and it's not a pyramid scheme at all. And so a pyramid scheme is basically just recruiting for the sake of recruiting, and there's no value being provided for the recruiting. A true network marketing is going to provide value. All right, it's going to provide a product or a service or some kind of value that whoever comes in, the members come in, they can benefit from. All right, so another misconception is that only people at the top make the big money. In a lot of companies, that is true. That the big dogs get in at the beginning and they make all their money, they run on to the next best thing. All right, so you really have to look around and find a company where the marketing plan, the compensation plan is broke, so everyone can benefit from it, whether you join in the beginning or join later on, or because you're the top of your own system. You build your own team, and so you got to find the right company to make that happen. The other thing that you got to overcome with network marketing that can make it challenging, but because challenges do exist. I mean, there's a lot of rejection. You got to have strong shoulders. Thick skin. It's a lot of rejection. And that's okay. People talk about market saturation. I really don't think the market is saturated, but that is often what people's misconception is. And you got to be consistent. I mean, because it's not an overnight success at all. It's not overnight success at all. So you got to be consistent, and not everyone succeeds. Not everyone succeeds with MLM. In fact, there's a very small percentage of people that succeed, and that's why you want to be with a company that even people who don't really know what they're doing can benefit, can grow, because it can be a tough industry. So, success in network marketing really does require patience. Okay, you just gotta realize it's not going to happen overnight. People get in and they think they're going to be a multi-millionaire in a week, and then when they don't, they'll give it another week, and then 2 weeks pass by, they just give up and move on. You gotta be patient. Okay, it's a really network marketing is really an opportunity for you to have very little income and really move into greater heights. I mean, job replacing income can come from being in network marketing, but you got to be patient. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Okay, and you got to be persistent. You got to every day. You got to show it. In a job, you show up every day because you want to get the paycheck. You show up every day because you don't want to get fired. Well, you got to do the same thing with your network marketing business. Is you got to be persistent. Every day you got to be putting something into your business, and then educate yourself. Educate yourself on network marketing in general. Educate yourself on how to share your opportunities. Educate yourself on your particular business that you're involved in. You know, and before you just get involved in any network marketing company, do research. Research the companies. Understand the products that they're selling. You know, and building a genuine relationship is going to be your key. Because it's not really about sales. I mean, sales is involved, of course, but it's not just about sales. It's about offering value and solving problems. Offering value and solving problems. I mean, that's the key. And so make sure you do your research that the company that you're going to get involved in is offering value and solving problems, and is going to make sure that everyone can succeed in the business. And if you do those things, then you have an opportunity to really grow your business. I mean, as we step into 2024, really network marketing does stand out. It's not just a side gig, but a potential avenue for job replacement income. It's really an area where hard work, the right mindset, strategies can lead to really substantial financial rewards and personal fulfillment. But again, it's going to depend on the companies that you look at. I mean, some companies have a product that they inflate the prices on, and so it's really hard to market it. If you take a bottle of something and that's made for $5, and you can buy that same something in the store for $8, $10, but yet in network market they're selling that same something for $100. So why do people want to do that? They don't, and that's why people have a hard time, pushing, or they make them do auto ship, they make them buy product whether they want them or not, and things like that. So also you have to look at that. The company I'm involved with, LiveGood, it overcomes a lot of those negative aspects of network marketing. I mean, there's no auto ship involved. There's no mandatory product purchase. You don't have to fill your garage up with soaps and lotions and potions and all that. You don't have to do that with LiveGood. You have 7 different ways to earn with LiveGood. In fact, I don't promote this, but in fact, you could do nothing with LiveGood and eventually make up to $2,000 a month. That's the slow way to do it, but it can be done. I mean, it's not going to happen for sure overnight. That could take months, years, who knows how long, but it's very possible with their marketing plan. But don't approach it with that standpoint. You approach it with, this is a business, this is a real business, So LiveGood overcomes a lot of those objections. Product prices, they're not overinflated. I mean, some of these prices you get 70 to 80% discount on what you'd pay otherwise with other companies. So do your research, and then you will see that LiveGood is probably your best avenue going forward in 2024 to really turn something from a side hustle to a full-time income. I mean, there's a guy, our number one guy is called Crown Diamond in our system. This is November 2024. In November 2023, okay, listen to this carefully. In November 2023, his name is Tim Miller. He was homeless. He's in a wheelchair, living in a homeless shelter, right? Okay. He started working this business in December 13th, I believe. All right. He had a government-issued cell phone, using a shared computer, either at the library or in the homeless shelter, and he's now making over $100,000 a month in a year's time. That's a millionaire, right? So yeah, and not everybody's going to do that, of course not, but the potential is there. I can't guarantee you how well you will do, but I guarantee you that the potential is definitely there for you to be able to do it. You know, but again, you got to remember what I said. You got to be successful. I mean, you got to be persistent. It doesn't happen instantly, and it's gonna require really dedication, consistency, and genuine passion, and loving what you do. All right, if you do that, you're gonna see success. There's no way you can't, especially with LiveGood. You're gonna see success. So take a look at network marketing for your side hustle to build into your permanent job replacing income for 2024. I think you'll see the benefits. I hope you saw the benefits today, but I explained to you in this short video. And so I just want to thank you for watching. Appreciate you taking the time. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like. That really helps me because it helps me to spread out my algorithms. It helps me there. Share it, comment, whatever, you know. But I do thank you for visiting today, and you take care of yourself and have a foxtastic day. And let's make 2024 the banner year for you. Take care and see you in the next video.